Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica, and I am the Lopsided Crafter. Today, I'm going to give you a little bit of a life update at the end, how things went with the surgery, what I'm going through now, and what is to come. And I'm going to talk about the channel and what my plans are for that going forward. So, first, we'll start with that and a little bit of an introduction. As I said, in case you don't know who I am, I'm Erica, and I'm the designer and face behind the Lopsided Crafter. We have our own website, thelopsidedcrafter.com. We are on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. If you are a returning viewer, hi, and thank you so much for stopping by. So, if you are a follower and you've been following me for a while, you know that I love all things fiber crafty related. My main things on this channel is crocheting, needle knitting, and loom knitting, as you can see behind me on the walls where all my knitting looms are. So, and in order to make things easier or a little bit of a flow ease, if you will, I am going to start doing things a little different as far as the videos when I upload them. If they are crochet related, the word crochet will be in the title. The same with needle knitting and loom knitting. Whatever project I'm, like if it's a tutorial or something like that, I am going to put what craft it is in the title. I'm also going to set up a schedule. I know not everybody that watches my channel loom knits or needle knits or even crochets. So like I said, I'm going to start like a schedule. So and now this doesn't mean that I will have a video every week for that particular craft, but you will know if it comes out on a certain day what craft it is. I hope that makes sense. So as of now, my plans are Mondays and Wednesdays will be crochet. Tuesdays and Thursdays will be loom knitting, and Fridays will be needle knitting. I don't do as much tutorial wise for needle knitting. So I felt one day a week as of right now would be okay. Sprinkled in within that, if I don't have any tutorials, or maybe I just have one item that's crocheted and one item that's loom knitted, then I will kind of group those together as a crafty chat. And that could be any day of the week. As of right now, I am going to keep one channel. If I find later in the future that I need to separate each craft into a different channel, that is something that I am willing to do. And so the option is there. So in other words, there would be one Lopsided Crafter crochet, one Lopsided Crafter loom knitting, and one Lopsided Crafter for needle knitting. I'm not to that point yet, but if you feel that that is something that you would like to see, comment below and let me know your thoughts on that. And also, while you're there, let me know what type of videos and tutorials, things of like that, that you would like to see. I do have a list of videos that are going to be coming in the future. Some of them are requested videos. So I try to do the requested videos first. If you request a video that I've already made, I will comment below your request to let you know, this has already been discussed in this video, and then I'll give you the link. If you're requesting something that I am not sure the answer of, or even how to do it myself, or maybe it's just something that is going to take a while and it's going to be way in the future, then I will point you to the direction of some other channel or somebody that has already made that video. I mean, let's face it, let's be honest. We're in no competition here, okay? We all in the fiber crafty world do YouTube videos because we either love it, or it's our business, or we love to teach. There's no competition. There should be no competition. We should be lifting each other up and helping each other out. So that comes from a place in my heart when I say, if I do not know the answer or how to do it, or it's just not in a feasible timeline for me to do it, I will point you to somebody else. And hopefully when you go to that other person, you'll still come back to me. And that's just the way, you know, I like to do things. So that's about how the videos are going to be done from here on out. Again, it kind of all depends on the algorithm and how, you know, my videos are being shown and that kind of thing. And that leads to something else. If you watch a video, please consider hitting that like button and maybe even commenting, because it does actually help. It helps the algorithm know, hey, she likes this type of video. So now I'm going to show her more videos, or him, more videos like this. But I'm also going to show her or him the next videos that the Lopsided Crafter has. So it helps, it not only helps us, but it helps you too, because then it learns what you like to watch. I guess that's about all of the chit chat about the video, the whole YouTube realm. Now I'm going to move on to my life update. For those of you that do not know, I had a knee replacement done on April 3rd. I am very young for a knee replacement. However, I was born, I am a Gen Xer. I was born several years ago with some mild to moderate hip disformities, as well as a major leg length discrepancy. So over the course of many years, as I was a child, I had multiple surgeries on my left hip to try to keep it, kept dislocating, kept, you know, trying to keep it in socket, things like that. Fast forward many years, it just got to the point where my hip was bothering me so bad I had to go to the doctor. I was 39 at the time, and not the news you want to hear as a 39-year-old that has just started the career of their dreams. 6 months into your new job, you have to have a hip replacement. It was time. The head of my femur was worn down so bad that it was almost shaped like a cone instead of a circle. Okay. So at age 39, I had my left hip replaced. Fast forward to age 42. And because my left hip was now brand new and so good and strong, it caused me to have issues in my right hip. So at age 42, I had my right hip replaced. Fast forward 10 more years, and my right knee starts bothering me. All related to the hips and the gait. Because of my leg length discrepancy, I had to have my right knee replaced. And that's what happened on April 3rd. I've had a little bit of, I wouldn't say complications, but setbacks. And I wholeheartedly believe that it is because of the leg length discrepancy and the hips being replaced. I have not bounced back as quick as somebody else who's had a knee replacement. I am, what, 7 weeks out, and I'm still not driving yet. It is still hard to sit up with the leg bent at a 90 degrees angle for a very long time. So then I have to extend the leg, and really the only way to do that is to get back into the bed. And let me tell you guys, I have went through some major depression over this. I'm gonna try not to cry. But when you've been told all your life that you can't do things because of your disability, and you've proven yourself wrong, and you've gone out there and you've done it, to be stuck back in that bed and having to have your husband and kids help you do everything is very depressing. So yeah, I've had some setbacks, and because of that, I do not feel, at least at this moment in time, and it could change in the future, but I do not feel at this moment in time that I will be going back to work. I was PRN anyway. I only worked a few days a month. Well, you know, like 1 or 2 days a week is how it kind of worked out. But I don't know if my body can handle it anymore. So this YouTube channel, my website, my Facebook page is going to be my livelihood. And I've got to make this work. And I'm sorry, I don't mean to cry, but it crushes me. It crushes my soul. Sorry. Yeah. So, as I said earlier, the plan with the channel going forward was kind of interlocking with my life update, and now you see why. So I think maybe I'll end it here so I don't cry anymore. The depression and anxiety is real, guys. It is real. So please consider hitting that like and subscribe button. Comment below. Let me know what type of videos you want to see, or just say hi. And until next time, happy crafting. Bye.